Good morning, John Kielec here, and I'm doing a special update for Friday, March 29th. Now, this update is concerning daily net pay and private trade shares, and you're going to hear the latest, what's happening, what will be happening. And by the way, this is last weekend before I depart back to Canada. Leaving this beautiful private condo that we have here in Florida by Miami, and the weather has been great. But it's very early in the morning. It's like 7:30, quarter to 8 in the morning. I've been trading the London daybreak, and it's been a pretty good morning. Over $500 in profits already. That we had some trades from yesterday. They came in today, so that's good news. But overall, we had this week, we have done close to, if not over, I didn't summarize yet, over close to 100 trades. Now we have two brokers, FX Choice and we have Owenda. So, FX Choice is a hedging trading account, and I'm going to be doing a separate video showing how I took Canadian dollar or USD against Canadian dollar, had 7 trades, and how I kind of hedged them together, one against each other, and came out with a nice profit. That's why it's called hedging. So I'm going to be showing that in a different video, but this video I just want to let you know what's happening. And it's like I say, we have a record trading this week. That many trades, almost 100, if not over 100 trades, and it looks like we have hit a new record high for the week, over 5%. Now, some of this earnings, 5%, we're gonna put back into our daily net pay private trade share fund. And fund is a special holding account that, in case we have a losing week, members still get paid as often as daily, get paid on weekly basis, even if trades did not produce results. If we went negative for the weekend, we used that DNP PTS fund to pay our members who purchase the private trade shares. So this is something, and we have used it several times, twice already this year. So when we have such a high earning week, we're going to put some funds in there to replenish that account. The payouts will go out as normal later today after the Forex closes, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or New York time. Everything will be updated by tomorrow evening. Okay. Another thing I want to let you know, well, going back home to Canada, we're going to be able to trade on the weekend, because right now we're trading Forex Monday through Friday. Forex is not being traded on the weekend, and it's only Monday through Friday, but cryptocurrency is being traded 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Okay, cryptocurrency trading does not sleep, does not stop. I've been kind of out of cryptocurrency since I could not trade here in Florida in the United States, but I'm gonna get back into it, and we're gonna be trading mainly Bitcoin. Where we're gonna earn income on the weekend. Hopefully we're gonna earn. I know cryptocurrencies are not doing the greatest right now. There's many speculation that cryptocurrencies will fail, will crash, but that's just speculations. And like I say, I have not been up to date with it, but once I get back home, I will be updating my knowledge about it. I have a few excellent sources that they keep me posted, but I just, when I cannot trade, I will not search the market. My markets are, the British pound, the London daybreak, and I've been trading since 5 o'clock this morning. Like I say, in 3 hours, the trades came in well over $500 so far. The day is not over. Like I say, it's very early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. But So that's what's happening. Another thing I want to tell you, okay, if you've been reading my updates, you know that revenue from advertising is slow. It's the lower levels. You know, we have members up to 15 levels have earned great income, but the lower levels, mini ed pack 1, 2, 3, and 4 is not moving fast. It's very slow. And in last update I was kind of, it says, well, if this is going to continue like that, I'm not going to put any more money into it. Why fork thousands of dollars of advertising and when the results are not there? Same thing with EasyNet Biz for You, which is try 90K plan. In the future we're going to see what's going to happen, and if it's going to continue the way it is, I'm just simply going to just operate DailyNetPay-PrivateTradeShares. Trading is what I love, enjoy, and it seems to be working the best, producing me a great income, and producing all of us, because I work for you. I trade, I do the market search, I take the risks, and I share profits anywhere from 0.1% up to 0.5% daily, or the return on your private trade share advertising pack is 150%. And that could be, don't think that 150% you're going to get return in 30 days. It could take weeks, it could take, until matures 150%. So that's the earning, and that's great income. As you've been reading my updates, once again, you know that I've been testing SSL software, robot, automated trading. Okay, and I am not pleased with results whatsoever. It's been over 2 weeks. We have not earned over $100 yet. We had actually 3 losing trades so far, and the software's got a high maintenance cost on a monthly basis. I already contacted company that I will not be taking their software. I will not continue with there. I have put the 50% higher risk right now, and there's not much. Like I say, this week we had huge week. We had twice two $1,000 day trades, and the software certainly has not produced that. So I am outperforming the robot. And truly, I'm gonna be honest with you, there is no machine out there that can substitute a real human being, and that is it. And Mary GK, my wife, she says, I purchased that software, but he says, no matter what, humans still gotta be there. Human developed it, and and it still requires. So I am gonna, this is I actually gonna turn it off. I'm gonna be turning off this weekend when it's done today, and that's about it, because I don't know, we have higher losing trades with the software than profit, so that's no good. Now I put into 50% higher risk. I don't want to risk our money. Another thing I'm testing, Hypergrowth FX. Now, many of you probably seen it or subscribed to that free portal. That's great. And what's in there? It's great education. You travel the world on the YouTube, what he does in there. But it's something that I like the concept. When I got into and I listened to those videos, and they have their own professional traders. But another thing, I'm kind of disappointed in it, because they're professional traders, so they call themselves, and they are not producing the results that it's being, the results are obvious, and no, they're not hiding anything. They're straightforward. But to reach the millionaire status in there with a 12% earnings per month, that's the minimum what he's suggesting. If they can earn that in 3 to 5 years, you can have the millionaire status. But there's a lot of activity. There's airplanes. There's it's morning, last day of work for many people. But what I was saying, they're not hiding, but 6%, 3%. They have many losing weeks, and we almost produced last week was well over 3% we earned. This week I know it's going to be over 5%. That's on 2 weeks we have almost 8% or 10% profit in trading. So that's great, and going back to revenue from advertising and not daily net pay, but easy net biz. Well, I like the concept. I'm getting some ideas, and if the RFA and Tri-90 Capelin not gonna move fast, well, I'm thinking putting something into DailyNetPay-PrivateTradeShares, like a PTS private fund, additional funds when we earn such higher, and where you get paid like on a weekly basis, certain percentage, or on a monthly basis. Build up that account besides the private trade share. Because I want you to earn money. I love earning money. I work hard at it. I wake up early to do the London break trades, and I want to share that income with you. And I'm going to be upfront. You buy the private trade share, you help me as well, because I take that money and I put 80% of that goes into the private trade share trading. Okay, so we're gonna have Wanda, which is a Canadian broker. That's one account. We have Forex or FX Choice, a second one. Hedge Pro account, where we can do really weird things in there. It's not weird. It's a hedging account. It's used a little bit different than the standard account in Forex trading. And also we're gonna have third one, cryptocurrency, with a broker that is not allowed in USA. That broker is in New Zealand. Okay, so when I'm in Canada, we're going to be trading all three of them in cryptocurrencies. But I want to speed up the process of paying out people, because private trade shares with daily net pay, it's a long-term income. You got to invest for about a year before you start earning that $600 to $1,000 per month. And compounding, and compounding right now at a low rate. People were buying one private trade share every week. Some are buying 5 private trade shares per week. Some buying 10 private trade shares per month, and compounding the profits. What compounding is simply, every time you reach $20 in earnings, it's automatically compounded. It purchases you another private trade share. So you're compounding those earnings to earn even higher income, and eventually, I would say, 6, 7, even 50 weeks later, you start withdrawing some of the money and compounding the rest. And that's how you build the long-term income with Forex trading. So this is how it's going to be done. But I'm just going to get up and do the rest of it. Rest of this update. The sun is coming up. You can see it, back there. I'm in so-called my backyard over here. No iguanas here yet today. Nobody's playing today yet. Okay, this is a playground. But my main concern when I'm gonna get back to Canada, back home, is to work on that special fund that my trades, I believe, and I hope so, will only get better. I'm testing new systems. I'm testing different ways of trading, and they're becoming more profitable. Eventually, I want to produce trades, $1,000 trades every day, 5 days a week. That is my goal. And this week so far, we had two days like that, 2 trades, well over $1,000. So that's great. What I'm gonna keep you informed. I think I said everything about this update. Later today, I'm gonna show you again the hedging account, how I used USD and Canadian dollar, 7 trades, starting one with way up here or starting right over here, but going for prices down, where the prices kept going up, 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 up. It was going against me. So eventually I ended up with 7 trades. All of them were losing at the beginning, and they reached its top. Then the markets start going down. So the very first one at the top start producing the results, start producing profits, then the second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. And that's what you call hedging. You kind of get the profits for all the, or most of 80% of those trades produced profits, not losing. You come ahead, and that's, you know, it's a great system. And this is where most of our trades, we got well over 80 trades in there right now for this week. So you're gonna be I'm gonna be showing you that. So I think that's it. You know, I'm gonna do a few more updates maybe over the weekend. I am departing Tuesday morning. The trading will go as usual, even though I don't use robots, but I can set my trades to enter at certain price, set my take profit at certain price, stop loss at certain price, and that's it. You know, it's robotic. The other day we're at the beach. I came back. You know, I set my take profit and stop losses. We had 4 trades. I came back, and 3 of them exited the take profit, which produced about $298 or something like that. So, you know, software does the searching for you, but like I say, man versus robots, a man wins. Especially me in my experience with trading robotic automated trades. So we'll see you in the next update. I wish you, since this is Friday, I wish you a great, safe weekend and a blessed weekend. Thank you for watching, and God bless.